in the future within the framework of a broader political solution? Thank you.
A minority fellow from Russia.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Daisy Khalmasara, I welcome everyone in my mother tongue. How many of us in this room have even heard of the English-speaking minority? My name is Zarina Sautieva and I represent the English ethnic, linguistic and religious minority of Russia. In recent years, the Russian government undertook some measures which resulted in significant infringement in linguistic rights of its people. For instance, the law of 2018, which amended the law on education, added the principle of voluntariness regarding to learning of official languages of the republics at schools, and hence further affected weak position of native languages in comparison to Russian, and may lead to extinction of many minority languages. My language, English, was marked by the UNESCO as vulnerable 10 years ago and continues to be endangered given inability to compete with Russian, and also because no funds are allocated for its popularization. There is not even one newspaper in my mother tongue, and children residing in prigorny districts who express their will to learn their mother tongue are lacking even basic manuals. Therefore, to address the lack of education in minority languages, especially for women, I recommend to Russian Federation, firstly, to repeal amendments introduced in the Law on Education of 2018. Secondly, to adopt a framework on preservation of native languages based on the needs of all ethnic minorities residing in Russia, and make the recently created fund for the same an effective mechanism for support of languages of all the peoples of Russia. Thirdly, to implement in full the law on rehabilitation of repressed peoples of 1993. Finally, I would like to highlight that it is the diversity of the people residing in Russia that makes our country powerful. For this reason, I call upon the Russian government to preserve this diversity and not to deprive us our right to speak and learn our language. Thank you.
Thank you. And the next statement.